Hi friends, this question 100% they will ask if you have 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 year, 5 year experience, even 6 year, 7 years, up to 10 year experience. They will ask these questions. They will give the input like that, and they expect like output or here output different. Okay. They want output. How it is like that? See. Suppose input is is underscore. They want not is. They want si underscore r. They want era. And same. They want emas. So expected output they want like that. See, they want like that. How it is want. This is most important. Okay. So they will ask very different reverse. They will ask reverse the string with the same words position using Python. Same word position means is it will be is it take the same position here only, but character will be exchange. See here. Okay, how it is working? We'll see it. Okay, let's start and see. Came output is it come word. It is splitting the each and every word. Then come into for loop. First for loop is come each. Then len 2. Then it is come here 2 minus 1. 1. They in decreasing the value 1 minus 1 and one step away. So then is first character S and ls is 0 si. Here what will do? It is change the position. Okay, is into si. Then it will come to w and remove the character, remove the extra character if they have, otherwise it will not remove. We'll see not a problem. So second r, they are arranging the value. See here the value was with underscore, so they will split that one. Same e came, m came, a came, s came. Now see what is that here the word. See in that words in starting, what is this? The underscore. So we need to remove this underscore. Okay, so that's why we'll use the strip will remove the extra character from the starting and end. So see w coming here. Now w will remove and we'll get it the correct. See, this came the expected answer. Okay, and one more questions. So we have, it will ask 100% to interview. See, this is the expectations. Now we'll change the something. I will put is Python. Okay, and we'll run it and check how it is working. See carefully, I am doing slowly. Don't be hurry. If you want multiple time, I will run multiple time, but not uses of that because video will go too long. So that's why it is short. You take watch again and again and put in slower mode if you are not able to understand. So that will be the easier for you. Okay. Mm, please like. I'm not getting like bro. I'm doing too hard. So I'm not getting the likes. What I can do? You don't want to videos like that or what? Only girls will give the session, then will like it and subscribe. Huh? That a reason or what? If girls will teach you, na, then you will get thousands of likes, thousand of something, right? Okay, nobody. Give me likes if you understand, otherwise no problem. Thank you. Thank you for the watching. I will get the output. So do I get the output? I'll show you. And, it is input this one and output this one. Okay, correct. Thank you.